Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to enable automatic photo backup on Terabox. And now let's dive right in. Now to enable or turn on the automatic photo backup on your Terabox app, first open up a Terabox app on your phone. And after opening your Terabox app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the three-lined icon available for us. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen. And over here, when this panel appears, you can see the automatic backup option available for us. Tap on the automatic backup option over here just above the space analyzer, and you land over here where you can see currently my automatic photo backup has been enabled already. But in your case, it's this, if it's disabled like this, then the toggle icon at the right side of the option that says automatic photo backup will be turned to gray. In order to enable it or turn on it, tap on the toggle icon on the right side of that option. And with that being done, guys, you will start to automatically back up your photos on Terabox app. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn on or enable the automatic photo backup on Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.